boom boom chi boom 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 chi boom 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 chi boom 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 chi boom. Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to use palette. Okay. 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 It's okay. 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 First you need to stay in palette.com to use palette, and in this page you're going to enter. Okay. Entrar. Okay. Log in with Google. In my case, it's with Google because I have my account before in this computer. Okay, we are going. Okay, you see here you have in the homepage of palette some of my palettes created before, and you have here the ones that I do with other people. For example, here with Vale Mesa, aka the one that I have for my property. Mm, Anyone can give me a like in here, but it's okay. And okay, we are going to select create a palette. Here you have some options, but I only know how to use this Muro. For this reason, we are going to select that. Okay, you can select a title. For example, sandwich. Sandwich. I don't know how to spell sandwich. I don't. I think that is made with palette. Okay. Okay. We here you can see that you can select the privacy of that. I'm going to make public because I want to every people can see my palette. Next. Okay. Now we can make our palette. You make double click, and for example we are going to talk about tomato. The tomato I think is a fruit and is red. For example, we are going to make this some very random. For example, Dragon Ball, no, Dragon Ball is the best thing in the world. Okay, well, I don't know. You can put anything you want. For example, it's okay like that, and you can upload an image of someone that I have here before. For example, Dieguito. Oh, for, this is Dieguito. Okay, it's okay. I see like that. And here you can pick a file that you have in your computer. And I don't know. There are some images, some of other grades. Uh, I can select this, but it's okay because there are no problems. Okay, we are going to download the new one. Okay, it's okay. Uh, uh, Now I have internet. Sorry, I have problems before. Okay, this image it's okay. I think you can download it, and Yes, now that you download before, you can click here. Okay, it's okay. Uh, Laurentian Opry. Look, you have now your photo here, and you can organize of the shape that you want. But we have a a, a small collection of squares. And these are the only way can we make. But if we have more, we can accumulate more the squares. Look like that. Okay, this is how you. Okay, you can put a like in your palette, and you can share here to anyone you want to share. For example, from email. But no. Okay, this is the end of my tutorial. Goodbye.